Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC, I'm going to go over how you replace your air filter on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. So this is the engine air filter, and we have this intake thing that we need, unit that we need to take off. So it's just held on by a rubber grommet on this side that you pop up, and then a clamp over here. Just a little clip clamp that you pull the tab toward the outside of the vehicle, pull this up, and then you're going to have a push pin that's right back here that goes into the airbox itself. And so you would remove that push pin and then just raise the whole thing off and set that to the side. And now the air cleaner is right in here. And so we've got a clamp up here on the top, and we've got a clamp on the bottom here. And then that just drops down, and we've got enough space that we can literally just pull this straight out. This air cleaner is well past its usability, so we're definitely putting a new one in. And there's a little bit of debris in there, so I'm just going to vacuum it out. A clean engine makes a good engine. Okay, so we got this tab here. From what it looks like, this tab should stay up on the top. Sorry. This tab here should stay on the top, so it should be facing like this. Then we drop it in there and press it to the back. That way we get the seal in there, and then snap the clamps together. And so that's the air filter has been installed. Then you're going to take this, and when you put this back in, you see there's some grooves here on this side. This one, somebody's already broken that portion off, but we still got a little bit of grip here. And those are going to slide down around the sides here to give us a good seal, so that our air comes from the front instead of just from what's in the engine bay. And press that down into place, and then it's going to lock over here. Put your push pin and lock that in. Make sure that locks down, and then press this rubber grommet in. And that's how you replace your air filter on your 2019 Nissan Rouge. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.